Start recording, and we're going to start talking about Lumiastream. I'm just going to start diving in here because I got a lot of freaking work to do. So what I'd like you to do, enjoy Gabriel and Dresden. Fred again, turn on the lights. Good tune. Good tune, and I want you all to turn on the lights, except they're all buggered up right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave Dave playing with the music, and I'm just going to work away. So I'm going to kind of be looking at Lumiastream and talking about what I'm doing. Hang on one sec here. I just need to know. Just need something. Another window open here. Hey, what's up, Zombie Pony? Zombie, we're doing a tutorial tonight. We're gonna set up my lights and get them working again because I screwed everything up. Classic Rich. Okay, so basically this application, I find this super interesting. I'm so bad at technology and you really want to learn all this? All right, so what we're going to talk about first of all is the lights are all set up. So like I can do this. So like Alexa, turn office blue. And then Alexa, turn office 100. Alexa, turn pot lights green.
Okay.
See, like those. What the frick? Alexa, cancel. Why is it playing music? Dang it, Alexa.
Spotify.
Alexa, cancel. What the? Alexa, stop the music. Chaos button. Jesus. Okay. All right, we're back. Hey, what's up, Mix Mitty? So this application has become Alexa's band. I gotta stop saying that. I gotta say you know who. This application has become very intricate and it even confuses me at times. So it's gonna take me some time to kind of work my way through. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna program everything from the start. And I'm just gonna go through the orders of all the streaming tools. So for those who use Lumiastream, we're gonna start with the alerts. And we're literally going to set it up. Now, I'm going to have every one of these set up here. So I've got stream live. I like to know when my stream's actually live. I get a notification like this, just so that I know it's finally live. Because it takes like anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds for a stream actually to go live once you click live. So a visual cue is something that I like to have. Now, the reaction that it's on is called flash. All these flashes, the downside to them is that they shut the lights off at the end. So I'm not going to use a flash. I'm going to just look through some of these. I literally lost everything here. So let me just see. Let's do a rainbow for one cycle. And I'm just going to run a test here. Let's see what happens. Okay. So this is what's going to happen when my stream goes live from now on. It's just going to give me a visual cue with a rainbow light. Hey, Fun with Stereos. Nice to see you. Fun, I screwed up all the lights with the bedroom stream, so I'm here to fix it. Okay, so I've literally just programmed the live button. It's as easy as that. So when I go live, that's what happens. Now, when I go offline, I also want a visual cue, and I want an 8-second color at 100% brightness, and I want the color to be red. For me, it's going to be red for stop. That's just going to be kind of my visual cue. When I know the stream ends, my lights will turn red, and I know that I'm no longer live. Can you fix you? Hey, what's up to die for? How you? Hey, I'm in Edmonton, by the way, this weekend. Or tomorrow rather. I'm playing at Union tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to test the offline. So this is what happens when my stream ends. Lights go to red. All right. Next up, follower. This is where I'm already getting a little screwed up. So this is what's going to take me a sec. This is what's going to take me a second to kind of find. I need to do a smart plug addition. Okay, so I'm going to add my smart plugs. Now, the reason these smart plugs are here in this section, they're called strobe, plasma, disco, fan, and rave. They're the hue categories that I have set up. So for example, those are the exact words I must use to control them. So Alexa, turn strobe on.
Okay.
Like so. Alexa, turn strobe off. Here we go again. Alexa, turn strobe off.
Okay.
All right. So these smart devices are already installed with Hue, and now we need to get them into here, and this is what's going to take me a sec because they have changed this a little bit. That's why we're just going to limp our way through the whole night. I know what I'm looking for, it's just they keep moving crap. It does kind of drive me nuts. Oh yeah, here's all our animations. Here's all our reactions, police lights. Any scenes that you want to import, you can import from Philips Hue. If we want to set up, actually, you know what? Let's get back to where we were, and we're just going to work our way down. I think that's going to be the easiest thing. So follower. All right, we're going to... A follower alert. We need to have... What color should we do, chats, for followers? Not yellow or green. What should we do for follow? Not yellow, green, or red, because red's going to be something else. What do you think? I have 2... Blue? Okay, blue it is. I have 2 Hue bulbs in my kitchen, and I can't get my app to discover them anymore. Hitch Pixie. Hitch, you've got the Hue hub, right? Like the little white box. Okay, I'm gonna test. And all I'm going to do is put a 4-second duration on the blue, because the blue is not going to actually end. And I don't actually, you know what? I'm going to do a 3-second duration. I don't want that color to override actual redemptions. It does not have to be Hue. Actually, you know what? We're going to pause there for a sec. Or not pause, but I'm going to show you, J-Swizzle. Let me drag this over. I will show you all the different brands that you can actually use with Lumiastream. Supported brands, there we are. Nanoleaf, Yeelight, Philips Hue. Now, what it does, not every product from these brands is compatible with Lumiastream, so you do have to look at the list. Hey, what's up, Zarek? It's just the bulbs, unfortunately. Oh, so they're just dead bulbs? Is that what it was? Yeah, J-Swizzle, just to touch back, it doesn't have to be Hue, but it has to be the lights that are listed on their website. So like all these Hue products, they work. Oh, let me move that over a little bit. All these Life X, they all work. Cololite, TP-Link. I know that DJ New Girl has some TP-Link products. I helped her set up a couple of the plugs when I was there. I think she actually just ended up doing it herself. But this is actually pretty cool. They have a power strip. It's got the Elgato products. So anyways, these are all the brands, Govee. These are all compatible. But again, it has to be the particular product, because Govee makes products that are not smart compatible. And it tells you the pros and cons here too. Like, Govee does not have fast mode. Govee does not have native scenes or smooth transitions, which is kind of for me, I like that Hue has the functionality. They have local control, smooth transitions, fast mode. And what that means is the smooth transitions, for example, here's, oh, it's not going to work because I buggered my lights, of course. Yeah, the colors can blend and fade, and it's really just, instead of sharp, on, blue, red, it can fade through the colors. So anyways, that's the nice thing about the Hue. Smooth transitions, fast mode, and fast mode is important because you want the lights. In my situation, the system can control DMX LED and DJ Haphazard. I have not played with that, but it does have the capability. Like, I am barely scratching the surface of what this app can actually do. They turn on with other lights. The last color I set them to is bright, which matches the other bulbs. No idea what's up with them. Sigh. Hitch, have you tried deleting them from Hue and then re-adding them? I know that if some data changes on the network, you can this button right here that I'm pointing to with the mouse, sometimes you actually have to go back to the hub when you're trying to recalibrate and push that button. Okay, let's jump back over. So we're on follower. So we're just going to do blue lights for anytime I get a follower. I'll come back and I'll add a strobe light to that after. Oh, actually, I can do it now. Here we go. Perfect. This is what I want. Here, let me just make this a little smaller. Okay, right over here, if you're a Lumiastream user, where I am, I'm on the left-hand side. I'm in alerts, and I'm on follower. Come down here on the right-hand side, and I go to manage key lights and smart plugs. What I want to do is have a visual cue every time I get a follower, but I don't want it to be a lot, and I don't want it to be in my face. Now, I've got rave, which is my face strobes, and I've got strobes, which is the rear strobes, behind me here. Actually, behind a wooden little shelf that I built. I've deleted them, at least I think. Maybe unscrew them and take them outside for a few hours so they can be connected to any circuitry or Wi-Fi. Hitch, you can always hit me up and I can see if I can give some suggestions too. I can walk through it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, right here, you've got start and end. I'm going to hit start strobe, and I want the power to be on. Now watch this, test. Okay, so now my strobes are going off. And I want the end to also end the strobe. So I want the power to be set to off. So over here, power set to on, end, power set to off. And test, light should end. There we go. Now, I want that to be for only 3 seconds. So here we go. We're going to test it. Actually, first you got to refresh. The thing with Lumiastream is you cannot use these commands until you hit refresh button. Test. Okay, there we go. And the strobe's turned off. Okay, so I've got a visual cue marker behind me. Power on and off 5 times. Is that kind of the key, J Swizzle? Okay, a subscriber. I want a subscriber to be RGB. Let's just see here. And I'll come back and fine tune this after. Now this is what's called fast switching. You saw that? Super quick. That's fast switching, and that's what a lot of the other cheaper brands don't have. So Philips Hue, while they are expensive, they've got better customization settings. I also want to have a visual cue, but for a subscriber, because that's a little more demanding of, or deserving of my of attention, I don't want to miss those. I am going to, you know what? This is going to be new. We're going to add a strobe, and we're going to turn the fan on too. So I both get a visual and a feeling. I'm going to add the strobe and add the fan to both off. So start, they're both on, and end, they're both off. Simple as that. So I've now programmed subscriber. Test, and my fan is turned on, and my strobe, ooh. Hang on, I just got to say, lurking and programming. I'm playing this song tomorrow if anyone's out there coming to the show tomorrow. It's a Gorillaz remix. From what you found, 3 on-offs will discover Wi-Fi. It's a good tip, J Swizzle. Okay, bits. Let's go with... again, I have to go in and manually create some values later. I'm going to go with police lights for 4 seconds. But you know what? Again, I haven't done this before, but I want to put the fan on as just a little something that I can feel. And we'll do a strobe from the rear. From the rear. Key is you want to make sure that you get these both turned on and off. If you forget to set an end to off, they turn on and they stay on. That's gone through that. Hey, what's up, Giovanni? Happy weekend, Party Zone. Zombie, it's all good. We're doing a tutorial. Thanks, Party Zone. Okay, so just like that, we've done bits. Hosting is no longer a thing on Twitch, so I'm not even going to waste my time. It's not like I'm wasting time. Okay, a raid. Now this is where I want some serious visual cues. We're gonna go with police, except this time we're gonna go with full strobes. And you know what? Again, I haven't done this before. Let's throw the disco ball on too while we're at it. I'm gonna throw the fan on. Ah, forget it. You know what? Let's turn everything on. Just for a few seconds. Why not? Raids are significant. Raids are exciting, so we might as well make them exciting. Let's do 8 seconds for a raid. Again, you have to hit refresh. And now test. There we go. So now everything is on. Disco ball's on. The lamp back there is on, or plasma. You can't quite see that, but it's on. Thanks, Party Zone, for tuning in, saying hello. Hype train started. Wait. The strobe. See? Okay, I buggered something. Strobes didn't turn off. See that? Gotta love that. Okay, let me try that again. Ooh, Zombie, yeah. That's going to be on Sunday.
The current #1 track on Beatport overall. Dom Dalla doing a remix of Gorillaz, Tame Impala, and Booty Brown.
Okay, hype train started.
And what tune might work?
What should we do for a hype train? Let's maybe do a breathe. Let's see here. Oh, 1 cycle. Okay, that's a nice thing about some of these automations is you can set cycles or duration. I'm more of a duration. Let's go. Ooh, not 84 seconds. And test that out. Hype train started. This is what will happen when a hype train starts. Again, visual cues, super handy. Red and yellow. Yeah, we got those colors. I haven't programmed the colors yet. Right now, what we're doing is we're programming the. I have to get in and manually program like combinations, red and yellow. So what I'm gonna do first is set everything up, and the reason I'm kind of not rushing, but I'm gonna go through and get the basics running again is because of the Thuggy stream on Sunday, and tomorrow I'm in Edmonton, Alberta. I open for Morgan Page tomorrow, so I won't be able to program. Okay, poll started. Yeah, you can actually wear a smartwatch and have the lights go to your heart rate. I think that's not something I need, but
I'm about to take you to this place that you most probably gonna forget about tomorrow.
Yin and yang, let's test that. Okay.
Why the fuck not? Right? Lipstick and shaking asses. All the girls want backstage passes. Lipstick and shaking asses. All the girls want backstage passes. Lipstick and shaking asses.
Now later chats too. Once we get everything programmed for colors, I'm just gonna move Dave over. I've got another camera set up here, and we're gonna have to go through and program the stream deck with it, but we'll get to that at the very end. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Okay, poll started alert. Make sure it gets turned on. There we go. Poll progressed. Prediction started. Prediction locked. Prediction ended. Goal started. Goal progressed. We don't use those. Category changed. Doesn't matter. Clip. Oh yeah. I like to know when people make clips. So I had that set to turn to teal before, and I'm just going to keep that the same. So if you make a clip, my lights turn teal. Test. There it is.
This came out today on John Summit's label.
Dave is killing it.
And it's the spiritual
I had the chance of playing with Dave this summer, actually, in Edmonton.
The most polarizing track I've seen on Anjuna Beats in a while. Some people all in.
Channel join, channel leave, banned. Oh, geez, that's a new feature. It's not like we've banned like bots. We've banned, I think, 2 people. Timeout, timeout. I don't need that stuff. Okay, so now chats, our alerts are all done, just like that. Now comes the colors. So Twitch points. Here's what we're gonna do.
Hey yo, listen. Now let me tell you why you gotta join us.
Okay. Hang on. I gotta open Twitch dashboard and I'm gonna delete everything. And then we're gonna manually bring it back. But I just don't wanna like give away any sensitive information, so let me get into the channel points first. Okay, turning the channel points on now, except I'm deleting everything. Okay. This is where my Twitch dashboard's a mess. We're just gonna delete the colors because I want it to be clean and done right. Mario has redeemed red for test points. What the? Oh shoot! Hang on. Yeah, see, I got Lumia. Timeout at Lumia. I gotta turn that off. It is a smoking track. Okay, I'm just gonna delete all the hockey teams. They actually don't get used super often. Maybe I'll add them at another point, but I want it to be cleaner for people to actually see, because there's so many damn redemptions. I know that it can actually get hard to find them. Can we turn Dave up a little? Yeah, absolutely. How's that? Go Red Wings. Super excited to see what John Summit does. You know, he's a funny cat. I don't listen to a lot of Tech House, but he's been putting out some stuff that's not necessarily even Tech House lately. It's been quite enjoyable. Okay, don't need to worry about any of that stuff. Okay, I think we got rid of the colors. I'm gonna get rid of police. Actually, I'm gonna just delete the It's too hard. There could be errors within these, and I don't want to do that. I'm gonna leave color corner, except turn it off right now. Do that at the end. Nashville gone. She gone. Plasma gone. Disco gone. RGB. I'll re-upload it. White flash gone. Flash reject gone. Corner color hide. Okay, so Ukraine's the only one left. I'm just gonna turn that off for now. Okay, so coming over to Twitch, I just want to make sure that it's all accurate. Again, today I'm just chatting about the whole process of setting up these lights, so beware. That's the plan for tonight. Richception. Okay, so here I can see that real time, all those lights are now gone, which is nice. Okay. Gonna slide that over. Come back to that. Okay, so I want to test the 3 pre-built colors and make sure that everything works. Hang on. I just got to go around the corner one time and make sure all the lights in the studio are changing color. I thought at first I broke my thumb today. I got into a fist fight. Somebody tried to shoplift from my business, and then I put it on Instagram. They pulled a knife on me, actually. Or not, sorry. I take that back. He had a knife on him. Sorry. He had a knife on him, and I pulled it off him. Sorry. I completely missaid that. He did not pull it. So I put it on my Instagram. That's the first time I've ever had that happen. You can actually see some of the clips on my... I'll put the link there. There's my Instagram. Okay, so the 3 pre-built colors, what happened was when I pulled the knife off him, he started to wrestle me. And he actually had chains in him, on him as well. He had 2 knives. He had a butterfly knife and a pocket knife and then some chains. And I ragdolled that guy around the sales floor, I'll tell you that. He left in a lot worse shape than I did. And in cuffs. Clips on my socials. Okay, so we've got the 3 colors. Now what I want to do, chats, I want to click this to link. So what this means here is these should, in theory, now be live on my... Okay, they are live on my Twitch page. So now, like, blue and green and red are live. So let me just try it from my chats. Okay, we're good. Okay, so we're already well on our way. Yeah, thanks, engineer. I am okay. I'm just fine. One of the backhands that got thrown his way, I actually went into a metal wall. He missed that one, but the other one's connected. And that's the first fight I've been in probably 20 years. I'm better with my words, but this guy was high on something. Okay, Twitch points. So we've got the 3 colors. This is where I kind of have to read a little bit and just kind of go through. So we're gonna make, let's make orange. So the value. And so you always want to test these colors too, because they may or may not, may not be the right shade for these actual lights. Ouch. 100% brightness, 8-second duration, 0 seconds of a transition. You can actually dial it in, and maybe we'll do this. Maybe we'll create some. Actually, we're gonna do this. We're gonna give the. This time around, we're gonna give a few very special redemptions for subscribers only. But all the colors, I want them to be free. I need them to be free. I want people to have fun in here, and I want people to engage. I'm reading some of these things right now, chats, because a lot of these settings are brand new. And today there was another new update. So, point options. Require user to enter a message. So I have that on for the Ukraine redemption. Say some kind words for Ukraine, but I don't do that for any other. Maximum number of times someone can redeem per stream. Don't care. I want them to use it. Cooldowns. Don't need it for the colors. The lights. Now here's the thing. Okay. Is anybody out there actually use Lumiastream? I've noticed some streamers will have time limits for the colors redeemed, and sometimes the next redeemed effect can override the limit. So it is a streamer's preference, Hitch. Actually, let me just hit apply and back out here, because on red, I want to change this from 4 to 8 seconds. I want everybody's redemption to stay that color if nobody else redeems. However, I want them to stay their color if there's multiple redemptions for at least 8 seconds. So sometimes I'll get 20 redemptions, and it's a nice like couple minute light show. We had some drug addicted person try to steal from our tire shop. Try to steal a tire from your shop. A very large mechanic damn near beat him to death. Here, actually, chats. If you want to see how this guy fared by the end, this is oh, here. This is him in a chokehold. And this is me holding him. And if you can see, That's the knife. That's the switchblade. And where's the chains? Oh, right there. You can see the chains in my hand. Chains and 2 knives. And yeah, that was my day today. So that was on my way out to go home, which was really not the way that I intended my day to go, but it went there. If your thumb doesn't get better, try hemp oil. Hemp oil or hemp oil? I think I jammed it. At first I thought I might have broken it, but now it's moving and I think I just jammed it. How did I get that photo? I had my phone, good question. I had my phone in my pocket. I have a pocket in my work shirt, and every time I get into some sort of situation, I put it on record video, jam it in my pocket, and I actually have a full video of the arrest even. It is on my Instagram, but I blurred a lot of stuff out because I don't want my work and my personal life to coincide. Where are we here? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna show you this. There we go. Here's police. Oh, here. Shoot. That's when police showed up to arrest him. I think can you see that? Hi, Bessie Vibes. How are you? Good to see you. Opening a can of Beatdown? Yo, I haven't had to lay one down for a long time. Like, seriously, like well over 10 years. And he immediately regretted it. I used to be in wrestling in high school, like an Olympic wrestler. Or, sorry, like an Olympic style of wrestling. I was top of the class in my college years, and so if you can get away from me, then kudos. But if you can lay hands on me, even better. Where was I? Sorry. Alert. Now I'm lost. Commands. There we go. Twitch points. Okay, I want to make sure that each of these was 8 seconds. Get distracted. Yeah, okay. So to answer your question, whoever was asking there a second ago, yeah, I want all my redemptions not to override each other. The only thing I want to be able to have overridden is like a raid. Okay, so already we've got orange, red, green, and blue. Now when we're in these colors, if you use Lumiastream, the one thing that you want to do is if you're on this light page, do not move these lights over. You want to have what's called group setting on, and I'll tell you why. Philips Hue lights have this patented technology, and you can, in theory, you can actually daisy chain Philips Hue lights as far as you can continue to get lights. Like I could daisy chain probably Philips Hue lights for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of feet because they repeat a signal and send it to the next Philips Hue light. So it's a really cool technology. But the problem is, what that means is if I were to take all these lights on the left-hand side here and move them over, it puts one light at a time changing colors, and it's like milliseconds. So it's like, if you've got 50 smart lights, it takes about 8 seconds for them all to change, and they don't all change. Because if it's 8 seconds, they may not all change in that 8 seconds. So I'm using group settings, so it's all the lights. Now I don't think there's anything else I need here. Definitely want to disable the chat bot. Nothing else I need here. No, we're good. Okay, so colors are good. Now let's make pink. It's literally as simple as this, chat. So I'm just naming it, and I name them in lowercase because it's going to be the exact same thing on Twitch. Everything needs to match. You need to have all the characters match, so I just chose to go lowercase through and through. 8 seconds, apply, come back here, and pink should work. Pink works. You've had issues with your GoVs, you might try again. That's what we're doing tonight, Zarek. And Bessie Vibes, I'm doing really good. My hand is pretty sore. My thumb is. It's not broken after all, so that's good. It's just, I think I just jammed it. Ooh, this is a heater. Okay, what other colors do we need here? We need yellow. Now, yellow's one of the ones where it can be tricky to get the right color, so... Set it to 8 seconds, apply. I want to test it before we move on. See that? What does that look like to you, Jets? Is that yellow or orange? Jamming thumbs instead of thrusting? The only thing I thrusted, Jay Swizzle, with that was that guy's skull off the wall. Orange? Okay. Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so... See, to me, this looks like Easter yellow, but I think that might be where we need to be. Oh, not quite. Slightly orange. Like an oil lantern. Okay, let's try this. That look yellow? I think that looks better than the last yellow I had. I feel like I should have another camera. Hang on. I feel like just gotta, hang on. Let me add another camera just for the sake of. Yeah, there we go. Hang on one sec. I gotta get the settings correct. Okay, there we go. That's great, keep it. Okay, perfect. This is way better yellow than the last one. The last one was trash. I love that this isn't regular stream, and you still have like 8 cameras. Actually, hang on, I gotta take this off. I'm getting really warm. Give me one sec. One's if you want me to take my shirt off. Chats, I really like that yellow already. I hated yellow, or hate. I did not like yellow before. Now I do. Only 15 more, that's right. Oh, and SLP, by the way, I actually have this here too. 15 more days to order your own OOF merch, chats. Oh no, I can't hear squat. Smack my ring up. No pants. I got the OOF pants on tonight. This outfit is really warm. Like, I'm serious. I am obsessed. I've actually, when it was minus 30 last week, I went to bed a number of times wearing the OOF outfit. No cap. Okay. Yellow, pink, orange, red, green, blue. What's the next color? What do we need? Dead ass, no cap. For real, for real. Purple? Okay, purple. Okay, and again, this is where we're gonna have to find the right shade of purple. I feel like we could do better than last time. The first studio, I felt like the purple was better. And then you just get a little, whoops. Then you just get a, okay. I gotta pause there, I made a mistake. I didn't name it, it's called new command. That screws it up, so I'm just gonna delete it and do another one. Once you start changing naming conventions, because as soon as you create these, it uploads it to Twitch. Once you start changing naming conventions, you got problems. Okay, let's try purple out. 8 seconds. That's blue. That's pretty purple, except on that one camera it looks fairly blue. Let's try a little lighter. I hope this is alright for you, chats. I hope you're cool with just this kind of stream concept of getting some work done. Little lighter. Little lighter. Need a little lighter. You like it? Thanks, engineer. Anybody have any special plans for the weekend, by the way? There we go, chats. How's that look for purple? Oh, hang on. Hang on a sec. Alexa, turn vibes off.
Okay.
I don't want to get that blue, like, yeah. Alexa, turn vibes on. That looks pretty purple, I think.
Okay.
It's informative. Good. I'm glad. You know, like, I have to do it anyways, and I thought, you know what? There are a lot of people that have asked me about Lumiastream, and I really do love helping people. I'm an open book. Like, it doesn't matter if you're a streamer or not a streamer. Like, I've helped people with their bedroom lights with this, because you can use Lumiastream for your house. You don't need to be a streamer to take the benefits of Lumia. I like that you're partner now so that you can do this kind of stuff. SLP, I know. That's my favorite thing. I swear. I wanted to do different things when this time came because it takes the pressure off you. Putting up and decorating your grandma's Christmas tree for her? That's so sweet, Hitch Pixie. Hitch, where are you from? Or where's grandma from? Is grandma from far away? Which reminds me, we have to set up our tree down here. I just haven't had time. Maybe I should do that Sunday. Maybe I should do it before Thuggy comes on Sunday. That might work. No, never mind. I was gonna say maybe Thuggy and Pineapple Hoops and I can decorate it. Incorrect. My kids will stab me. I shouldn't say stab. I almost got stabbed today. Do it on stream. With the kids though. That's the thing. I have to do it with the kids. I don't want to get stabbed. Okay. If I call this teal, I'm gonna get in trouble. So, because it was always aqua. Every time I called it teal on stream, people were like, aqua! Okay. That looks alright. With Christmas music? That's a good call. Actually, maybe I'll just do that Sunday. Like Sunday morning. Maybe I'll stream Sunday morning. I'll be hungover as fook. It's alright. Maybe I'll stream Sunday morning. After I get back from the Morgan Page show, I'm going to be staying the night in Edmonton. Maybe the kids and I will set the tree up. How's that aqua look? Is that looks alright? I think that looks pretty bang on. Again, don't worry about this. Don't worry about the blue. From the good vibes. That's just spill over. Aqua looks good. Perfect. Oh, wait. I want to make sure that I did 8 seconds for aqua. Ah. Commands, chat, Twitch points.
Ivy Doom Kitty. Welcome, Raiders. Thank you for the raid.
You know what's fun? My daughter got a lava lamp tonight. Oh, you know what? I could show you. You want to see it real quick? It might be going for the first time. Hang on. Come with me. Come with me.
About to get to the bangers. Working my way up to the bangers. CQ.
Just moving everything all about. There we go. Okay, come with me. Let's go check out this lava lamp real quick. See if it's up and running. I'll be right back. This is a low-key night. I'll be without a mic though. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. That's the first time we had it turned on, chats, by the way. So she just got that tonight from a skating party that she was at, for her figure skating. Okay, we're just gonna shrink this up, and we'll get back to this later. Oop. All right, we gotta tuck that in the back. There we go. Okay, so back to the lights. What did I miss here? Show us the lamp. We did. Field trip. She was playing baseball on Nintendo. The lava lamp is blobbing. I love a J-Swizzle. Yeah, you know, I know that Dave doesn't chat a lot, and I thought that's going to be perfect for us to listen and do this tutorial. SLP, that's right, the oof shoes. I am wearing the oof shoes. That's what I was showing on the stairs. You can get the oof shoes in the merch store for another couple weeks. I know Matt Zerglin is days away from getting his new pair of oofs. Hey Ryan Nellis, how you doing, brother? We're doing a Lumiastream tutorial, buddy. So we're programming the lights from scratch tonight because I screwed them up. I don't even have a cool reason why we're doing it. It's just, long story short, I broke my entire light setup. Whoops. Okay, let's move on to the next color. Where were we at? We were at aqua. So Ryan, basically what we're doing is just reprogramming did I do blue? Reprogramming absolutely everything. Oh, here I can check. I did, yeah, I got blue. Okay. Do we have anything else really? We got purple, we got pink. I think we got the primaries, right? Yeah, we do. We got all the primaries. So then what we need, here's what we need. We need a blackout. So I'm gonna call it blackout. And that's gonna be lights off. And we had it set to 500. And chats, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we actually had it for 30 seconds. Because it was a primo. White or white flash? Oh, white, yes. Thank you, white. I do need white. Okay, blackout works. Thank you for the reminder, SLP. So the white flash will come after once we start to program the customizables, but thank you for that. White. Duration 8 seconds. Apply, and there you go. Yeah, so Mad Martin, once we get through some of the settings, what'll happen is I'm just trying to remember here. You'll begin to pick colors. Let's just say we're going to do like the Edmonton Oilers. So we would pick orange and blue, and we would have variables of time. So like 2 seconds between orange and blue. And we're going to tell it how many times to cycle through that. 8 seconds, 16 seconds, or you could tell it how many cycles to specifically do. So you could have it to go, I do time. And the reason I do time is because traditionally speaking, music that I play is 4/4 time. This is a little bit more technical than it needs to be. Music being in 4/4 time at the BPM that I play it, I know that if I do an 8 or a 16-second redemption, I may or may not have it exactly on the drop. So I might be having a build up to a verse. 8-second or a 16-second could be the full chorus. So can we do it in time with Dave? Let's get the music here. Was it too loud? Didn't expect to have that tonight. I'm dead. Okay, guys, so yeah, we've got the cool colors done. So, now again, this is where I kind of have to go. I would redeem Yo-Yo. I do have to get it done. It's all good. Either way. What? I don't even have time. It's 10 o'clock. I should actually get it done. At least I got the colors. Okay, now, actually, we're going to pause for a sec on that. Because we're going to get these buttons kind of working. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to take a, whoop, I don't need to open Steam, I'm not gaming, Jesus. Cancel. Stream Deck. Okay, so now what you're looking at is the Stream Deck and the Stream Deck with my camera. So, green lights. What I have set up in my Stream Deck is multi-action. For those that use Stream Deck, you can, if you go to the search bar, you could do a multiple action or multiple action switch or even a random switch. These are multi-action switches. So what that means is they will turn the Philips Hue office to green with a 0.1 or with a 1 millisecond delay, change the face lighting to green with a 1 millisecond delay because they're different commands, and change the pot lights to green with a 1 second delay. So if I push this button, should work now. Hey, we're on the way. Hey, except for the pot lights. Oh, there they go. If I push this, should work. Nope, not yet. Oh, yeah, it does. Orange. Okay, okay, we're on the right path. Thank you, D. That was fun. Oh, wait. What happened there? Orange work. Is it blue? No blue pot lights? There we go. Now it's going. Red. So why is it doing that? Face lighting, hot lights. Let's go like this. Change the order of them. Oh, that didn't do it. Okay, let's try that. There we go. Now we're working. Okay. Yellow. Oh yeah, that's a way better yellow now, hey? That's way better. White. Okay, so we're in luck. At least I've got the buttons back. We'll have to come back to these. These are studio animations. Darn, that's too bad. I lost everything. That's okay. Shit happens. Okay, let's come back to Lumiastream and work our way down. So commands are done, chat commands done, bot. Man, this is way cleaner than I had it before. I just gotta look for something here, chats. Oof, heater. Yeah, okay, here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go to the commands and we're gonna make a strobe. So chatbot commands. Check commands. Okay, for this particular case, we want no light change. And we're gonna, strobes actually kind of pissed me off a little bit. So I'm gonna cut the timer shorter, maybe 12 seconds. 16's a lot. Strobe. Okay, so no light change. And then... There it is. Strobe and rave. Power on. Power on. And end is strobe and rave. Power off. Power off. Hit apply. Let's test. Okay, they work. C will be very disappointed with the strobe change. Hey, it works way better than it did before. The face lights actually don't get stuck on now, and it was catch-22 chats. Like, it really wasn't a bad thing that I accidentally screwed up everything. Okay, let me just see if, does that show up? Okay, blackout. Does blackout work from Twitch? Let's try it. No, it doesn't. Okay. So I gotta go back to that one and fix that. Does strobe work from Twitch? Oh, it's not even uploaded. Okay. Can you apply a filter? I'm not used to with no glasses. Better? There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's like, oh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. I gotta save that. Better now. I was gonna wear sunglasses, but I actually have to see the screen. Okay, I gotta go back to Twitch and find out why it's not working. Okay, manage rewards. Oh, it didn't upload, that's why. Okay, no big deal. That's why, at least we know. Willy Wonka glasses? Okay, we're gonna go into studio mode now, and here's where some of the fun stuff for me comes into play. And again, I have to limp my way through this because it's been so long since I've done it. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is a scene where this is how we add multiple lights. Was that me or did something just change there? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Okay, so we're gonna add. What colors are we gonna do here? Let's blue into red. No, looks like police light. Blue into green into red. No, I don't like that. Purple into green. Nope, sorry. Red. Into orange. Into pink. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so in this case, you have to repeat these colors, which is super annoying. Like there's no way to copy paste it. So if you want it to cycle through multiple times, you just have to like look and memorize the colors. Again, the application is very, very powerful and it's very, very good, but there's a few things I've noticed that can always be improved, but such as any software really. They've made a lot of changes based on recommendations from me, and I mean that truthfully. Last year, Ahad and we were on a very, very day-to-day basis, and he would actually create updates for me, and he would give me the update and have me beta test it and report back at the end of a stream, which was pretty cool. Okay, so the reactions. What color cycles did I have before? A Cheetos thing? Getting on top. Getting that hop. Cheetos ad. Chris, it's all about the snacks. Oops, sorry, I had that rate in the way, chats. I'm sorry. That one view. Oh, okay, what do I need to create here? I need to create rainbow. I think we already have that. Do we not? Yes, that works. Okay, good. Breathe, rainbow, yin yang. Flamin' Hot Orange. I love those. I love those Cheetos and the jalapeno ones too. Hey, what's up, Sibo? Well, Sibo, we're just is there such color as hot orange? Sibo, we're just doing a Lumiastream reprogram. Sorry, I'm like super distracted. Add customer award. I think I have to name this one manually Rainbow. Let's try it, see if it works. Rainbow. No, it doesn't. Okay. Shit. Oh, refresh. Try again. No, it doesn't work. Are your lights daisy chained in order of purchase or in position in Chateau? Good question, SLP. So they would go in order of time added to hue if they were to be individually controlled. But when changing colors to like blue, for example, you're changing the group to blue, which is everything. So it's sending 50 signals out. If you're telling it to go through one at a time, then that's where it's way too slow. I gotta find that damn police light. Oh, there it is. Okay. The one thing the police light doesn't have right now is a strobe, so we're gonna add strobe and rave. Oh, and we want it to power on. And then we're gonna add strobe and rave, and we want it to power off. So now police should be, there we go. We got full police. Full cops in the house, RCMP, here we go. Oh, fuck me. It's like really... Alright. How long is that going for? Cycle duration. Oh, that's why. Alexa, turn strobes off. Whew. Cycle duration. Siebelwell, I haven't used the fuse. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? Fuse gives your lights life by creating a visualizer through your screen's colors or through audio. Does Lumi have any capabilities for syncing to track tempos or setting a tempo for an effect in general? Yes, actually, maybe Sibo, I think that is part of what Fuse does, is it not? You just need a input. I played with it one day about a month ago, but I actually didn't finalize it, and then I forgot about it. They should be switched. Did I not switch them off for N?
Thank you, Visuals, for the 5 gift subs.
Oh yeah, thank you. That's why. Thank you. See, SLP's paying attention. Thanks, SLP. That was part of my problem there. That's why I was looking twice at it. Okay, let's try it again. Siboa, you can actually do desktop input sound, right?
And an exclusive bootleg that Umak made.
Okay, so this
Early 90s
police light is not long enough.
Anthem.
Thanks for that, SLP. Saved my butt.
That this track was on Rave Till Dawn.
Paying attention in class? Love it.
What Rave Till Dawn.
The reaction cycle time is too fast for your lights.
CQ.
Okay, let's try that. Sibo, I'm gonna have to play with that then. I won't set it up today. The reason I'm rushing today is so that I can get ready for Thuggy coming. Okay, now, chats. On my stream deck, hopefully these strobes actually turn off. I remember having this pain in the butt before. They are set to off, that's the thing. Oh, because you need to have an even number. That's why, I think. Okay, Sibo, well, my question would be, and I'll be able to, yes, please, lights work. Hey, Sensei, Sibo, well, do you have to run with fuse on at all times, or can you turn it on and off? So 3 times 6 is 18, so that should be close. So let's go with 6 rounds of 3 seconds. It's an even number, so we should be all right. Let me take this rosin hit for you. Let's go, Sensei. I'm just gonna close my eyes and pray that this works. This is why I wear sunglasses, chats. Oh, it worked. Okay.
And thank you, Mrs. Bisco Buddha,
now what I need to do
for the 1,000 bits.
is
Snappy the Plug is hanging out with us.
on Stream Deck, I want to make that value a police light. But. Dave's going off over there. 36 seconds. Sensei, I don't mind a little marijuana, but I'm actually I'm staying. Well, I'm keeping my head first of all healthy tonight because the last thing I need is distraction, or like to slow myself down. Okay, in Stream Deck, I gotta find the fix here. Lumia. That's a reaction. What's it gonna be under? Twitch point command? Why is it not showing up? Oh, it's not added yet, that's why. Let's see.
Bootius with 1,000 bits. Look at that.
Fuses linked to one scene. Oh, okay. So you could turn it on and off with a push of a button, because you could turn scenes off with a button.
To advance.
That's good to know. Thanks for that, Sibo. I'm gonna have to play with that more maybe next week. Okay, please work. Ah, no, please doesn't work. Okay, I'll come back to those. It's not a big deal. The reactions have a little bit more pain in the butts with them. At least if I get them programmed, it's easy for me to fix it after. Okay, RGB, does that work? No, it doesn't. Okay. Oh yeah, I still haven't. Oh shit, I haven't added any of those. Lumia. Let's do the theme. This is where it's going to take me a set to kind of get through and look at these options because... Oh! Well, there's one of the things that I made. So that's good. That's actually good enough. Not that one. Shit. Studio animation. So animation is where the rainbow is. Okay, so what I have here, chats, you've been playing around with Lumia today, Siboel. It's a good day to play around with it. Can't fuck with lights while you're high. Since I totally get it. I don't want to get dummied while I'm working with smart lights. Okay, so here's what I have on this button, chats. When I push this RGB button, it's a multi-action. So the first push is going to turn on the cycle, hopefully. There it is. That's not the one I was looking for, though. That's not the one I'm looking for.
The after party, after this, 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 the after party.
Sorry, Sorry, I'm just thinking, chats. I have to think. May or may not have gone Clark Griswold and decorated and fixed all the lights while upgrading to all smart lights. Yeah, Sibo, well, I'm starting from scratch today because I accidentally screwed up my entire programming. It's really unfortunate. Don't log into Lumiastream on a second computer. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. No. Hang on. Ah, I know what I did. Okay, commands, Twitch points. That's what I have to do. Oh man, they sure changed this. How do you set scene to switch automatically? Like, are you talking your... What do you mean your scenes? Like your camera scenes? I run a daisy chain. Actually, I'll show you. I have these camera buttons. And there are multiple actions, Sibo well. So I've got OBS scene, goes to cam 2, delays 10 seconds, then it goes to cam 5, delays 10 seconds, goes to cam 3, delays 10 seconds, and so on. And then the second push puts it back, or it automatically goes back to the face cam at the very end. So in the case of, I've got what's called production cams here. Short cycles, long cycles, black and white, 3-second cycle. So all these are basically just multiple action scenes, Sibo well. So you can see you've got, okay, in this particular case, I have 3-second burst, and it changes what I have here, Sibo well. If you do the search for, what's it called? Transition. If you do a transition, you can go cut, fade, ghost stinger, whatever, anything you want. So I push the button, it automatically goes to cut for a transition right here, and then it starts to go through deck 2 or cam 2 for 3 seconds, cam 5 for 3 seconds, and so on, all the way through 3 seconds. You have to copy paste, and at the very end, it goes back to the face camera, and then it automatically turns on the fade transition at the end, which is an important thing to add. A Lumia scene. Oh, let me back up. How do you set scene to switch automatically? A Lumia scene. Are you talking... What do you mean a Lumia scene? I'm trying to figure out what you mean by that. Okay. Not that one. In Lumiastream, can scene be switched automatically? Seboel, I apologize. What do you mean by Lumia scene? Do you mean like a Philips Hue scene? Or... I'm just trying to think of what you're meaning. Because like... Or are you talking these? These are how I use my police lights, and like... This is how I would make like the Edmonton Oilers. And what I do is I program that to a button on the smart plug. Is that what you're meaning? In Lumiastream, can scene be switched automatically? What do you mean by automatically? That's where I'm confused. Oh yeah, see these scenes? Like scene settings on a rotation? Like through... You can set scenes to redemptions, yes. It's the same way, I believe... Now this is where I'm gonna probably have to watch just a video, because it's not, for whatever reason, it's not automatically adding the Oilers like it used to. But they have changed this so much. I'm noticing that all these Twitch points, these are all updating automatically. These are all linking correctly. Which is a newer feature, like in the last 6 months. Just kind of looking through this. Yeah, these are supposed to automatically update, but they're not. So, actually, and it might even be just a simple, I know this used to be the case where you could close Lumia and reopen it too. Let me just see if that changes anything. Again, there are a lot of bugs with this application, and... Okay, let's see. Okay, the color works. Oh man, that's a rich orange. It's almost a little too red. Police doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? It's a reaction. Okay. See, why aren't reactions in Stream Deck now? Oh, actually, Seboel. Here, I just see this. Fuse on-off switch. That's actually pretty handy. That's good to know. Here, I'm just gonna go to a blank, I gotta go to a blank page. Screw around here for a sec. Ah, here you go. Here's the studio scenes. Okay, now, duration. Oh fuck, I deleted it. Of course I did. Idiot. Chats, we played this one on System F Remix. We played this one on Wednesday. It's a good tune. I don't have Stream Deck, so I would like to scene to change automatically, so I don't have to go to Lumia. Oh. So you want your lights to change automatically without a redemption, is that what you're saying? I think I'm on the same page now. By the way, good call, Swizzle. Let's give Gabriel and Dresden a shout out. RX7 man, welcome first time chatter. RX7, normally I'm DJing, but tonight we're setting up lights and fixing some lights. Here's the studio here, RX. One feature that I always recommend turning off too in Lumia, here, I'm just going to show it to you, is, whoop, not that one, dashboard. Hang on, I just got to move something off here to find it. I don't want to like give away my personal information here. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is something that you don't want to have on Lumiastream. The no light change. Oh, Siboel. I can answer your question. This is a brand new feature, by the way. Now I just have to find it. Idle mode only triggers after the queue has been empty. Okay, so you could. There's this brand new idle mode, Siboel. So if lights are not used for X amount of seconds, you can tell it to go to a scene. There we go. I think that's basically answering your question right there, which is found in the default state of configuration under idle state. So that could actually start the process. And you've got default key lights and smart plug states as well, so you could actually do the same with smart plugs. I won't be using it because I like to let the lights sit, and then sometimes they'll just stay for a while, and then people kind of start to play with them again, or I do. Okay, you know what? Let's try a fuse while we're here. Oh yeah, you want default light change. If you have it on color, what happens is after that 8 seconds, and let's just say you had it set to pink, after 8 seconds of somebody redeeming, it would go back to pink. So I don't want that. If they redeem, I want it to do no change at all. Hey, Sister Royce. Sister Royce, is this like Sister Royce's sister? Welcome first time chatter. Did the shoutout not pop up? I think it did. It popped up on screen here. Right there on the left hand side. It just kind of blends in. How are you, Sister Royce? RX7, nice to see you. It shouts me out. Oh, what the heck? But at least their pop-up worked. What the heck happened there? I'll have to fix that. Yeah, no, I see that, RX. Something screwed up. Somebody was playing with it on Wednesday, actually, one of the mods, so I think I'll do that after. I'm just gonna make a note of it. Fix shoutouts on Streamlabs. So the good news is we have all the master colors back. We don't have the breathe back. Where is that? Make sure the Lumia shout out is off. Hang on, let me just test something. I'm just gonna try something. I'm just gonna shout out myself, maybe. Yeah, no. Okay, no, I'm gonna turn. I don't want to use the Lumia one. Oh, here we go. This is what I was screwing up on, chats. I'm sorry. I was missing a step. Like I said, it's been like a year and a half since I've done this. Okay. I don't want to back out because I don't want to forget where I was. So right now... Oh, okay, I can back out. Why am I like this? Okay. Commands. Twitch points. And we're going to add a command. That's what I was missing. Add a command, and then... Instead of color, there we are. We actually had to create those first. That's what it was. It's a two-part process. There it is. Okay, so we're going to do a reaction for police. And then that's going to be 250. That's going to be 16 seconds. Oops, except I didn't name it. Because I'm a moron. Okay. Delete, because it doesn't like when you don't. Police. Type. Reaction. Police. 250. There we go, chats. Oh, there's already one with that name. Bugger off. Click the link. Okay, delete that. There we go. Now it should auto-upload. There we go. Okay, now police should actually work from the stream. Let's try it. Nope, it doesn't, so don't use it. What did I do? I had to manually redeem it there. Why? Oh, I didn't refresh, maybe. Hey, Mackie, how's it going, bro? Mackie, I accidentally deleted my entire profile of lights. Oh, yes, it works. Okay, okay. We're on the right path now, chats. We're on the right path now. That's what I was missing. You have to create them before you create the command. Yeah, Mackie, what happened was when I did the bedroom stream the other day, apparently you cannot log into two different computers with Lumiastream at the same time. Talk to Ahad, the guy that programs for them, and we discovered a major new bug that they're going to try and fix for the next release. So I lost everything, except I had some programming errors, like my strobes would get stuck on, but now they're not. So I'm actually, it's catch-22, Mackie. Hey, Tony Christopher, how's it going, bro? Tony, this is being recorded too. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube after. Turning off your lights. I'm gonna help you, Mackie. Turning off your lights after a command is done. I'm gonna help you. We're gonna do that right now. Mackie, go to default state on the left-hand side here under connection, and make sure it's no light change. It should be as simple as that for you, buddy. If you have it set to color, every time you... Here, I'm just going to do it for an example. So if we have a redemption for blue, aqua, after 8 seconds, it's going to revert back to pink, which is what I don't want. See? You want no light change to be on. So I get a light show and then nothing. It refuses my default state. That's the issue. I want a default state, but it doesn't work like it was. Mackie, the default state should be set to no light change. If it is, and you're still having issues, let me know after, and we can kind of talk about it and take a look. There's also this brand new feature, Mackie. This is a dynamic default change, which again I don't want to use. It can randomly change what the default goes. Yeah, that should be it, Mackie. One of the latest updates had it revert back to a color. And so I had to go digging. And it's also turned on the chatbot again. Even today, the chatbot was talking again. I had to mute Lumiastream from today's update. Okay, well, I'm really glad that we got the police working. So what's next on that list there? Hang on. Now I want to come back over here to my stream deck, and hey, police is there now, I think. So, oh, before I was having issues with the strobes getting stuck on. So what I did is I created a multi-action button where I'd push the button, the police lights come on, but then at the end of it, it also double told it to turn the strobe lights off. Let me just see if this button works now. Hey! Who's DJing while I chat? It's Gabriel and Dresden right here on the right-hand side. Whoops, not that window. Right above my face. Hey, what's up, Supa? We're doing good. We're just getting strobed out here. We're just reprogramming my smart lights. This is also why I wear sunglasses. Gotta wait for, hopefully, yay, it ends. Okay, so that works. Now, does RGB work? I don't think that one works. Okay, so what that was, okay, what we're gonna do is create a multicolored RGB. We're gonna add a command. There it is. It's gonna be a reaction for RGB. We're gonna do a 16-second duration. Ah, shit. I forgot to name it. And again, it does not like when you don't name it, so it's just easiest to restart it. RGB. Or wait. Bugger. What am I doing? Mackie, I don't know if you caught it, but it's been a year and a half since I've played with this, so I am slower at it, but they've changed so much. Okay, RGB is right there. And actually, you're going to do that for 12 seconds. Actually, 16. I think it's what I had it as. Okay, let's test RGB. That ain't right. Oh. Why is it holding on those colors? "16 seconds. Let's try 12. Did you know you can download scenes shared by the community? I did know that, Mackie, but I have not really played around with it. Okay, so RGB is added, and did that automatically come over here? RGB? No, it didn't. Refresh. RGB? No. Okay, so I gotta remember how to do that again. Add command. RGB. The only thing I wish Lumia did better is the fuse, where you let the lights dance to the music. That one needs work. You know what, Mackie, Siboa was telling me about... Oh, jeez, I got my glasses on here. Siboa was telling me about that earlier. Sorry. And I haven't really played with it yet, but I'll probably play with it at the very end. I got to get my basics going, but I haven't explored it yet. Yeah, Supa, it's nice to kind of do this little pop-up and well, have you all enjoy have you all join first of all. Okay, so let's see if RGB works from the actual stream now. No. Anything with streams like Rich Glow's stream to give us beginners some insight. That's why I'm happy to share, Tony. Honestly, like I try my darndest to help people. I refer people to a lot of YouTube videos because like you can answer a lot of questions on YouTube. And like half the time that's how I got there is just by watching, and I don't necessarily like automatically remember. But why the heck is RGB not working? What did I do again? That's different. Police worked. Police works. So why did police work? Right? Police works? Yeah, it does. Anyways, I like helping people. Yeah. Refresh. Thank you. We were talking about that earlier. Thank you. See? Mackie knows his stuff too. I was delivered today a 12-foot smart programmable Christmas tree? What? It had 9 non-working lights. Trying to get a new one. Jace, that's huge. That must weigh a lot, Jay Swizzle. Yeah, Mackie, we were talking about that earlier. The refresh, the refresh, the refresh. Okay, rainbow still doesn't work. That's okay. RGB does. Okay, yep. Refresh, fix that. Okay, so rainbow. Type. Which one was it again? Reaction? No. Animation, rainbow. Now this again, chats, is where you can do duration or cycles. I like to do duration because I like it to marry up with the music a little bit. 8, 12, or 16 seconds. Okay, so I gotta delete this rainbow and then click the link again, refresh. Now the rainbow should be back into Twitch. That's the nice thing. It did not used to do this, chats, by the way. Lumiastream did not used to automatically upload it, and you'd have to manually type everything. Yes, rainbow works. A light tree, 9 strands of lights. Holy smokes, man. That's a huge tree. That is a huge tree. Okay, why the hell does that keep turning on? I must be hitting a key that's turning it on. My snap cam. Okay, what else do we need to add? We need to add that corner light is what we need to do. Actually, here, let me move this over here. This camera, so you can see what I'm talking about, that corner light. That corner light I'm talking about. Okay, I need to find out what I called it first of all. Go into hue. I actually have that corner light with my face lighting intentionally so that when I change my face lights, for example, then it changes too. And I called it, it's hue light strip +1. Okay, easy peasy. So corner color, we're gonna delete. And we are going to go to create a command. Now this is something a little different than what we've done so far. We're gonna just pick one particular light, corner color, and we have to go to lights. And what did I say it was called? It's called hue strip 1, I think. Again, chats, I hope this is informative while I'm doing it. I actually have to do this. So I hope that there's some takeaway or enjoyment from it. Hue light strip +1. Okay. Yeah, all these are the current lights in this particular room. Hue light strip +1. Okay, so I'm only picking the one light. If I left it all empty, it would be all the lights. It's the best idea. Thanks, Jay Swizzle. And like I said, Tony, I am recording this. I'm going to upload it to YouTube after. And it will also be on my VODs. But the reason I was worried about the VODs is because we are listening to Gabriel in Dresden. Or Dave. I'm worried that it's just going to have a whole bunch of mutes because he's doing a new music night. And yeah, I wanted to actually record it so I can upload it too. Okay, apply. Oh, wait. Sorry, general. Now, I didn't want to have, hang on, I gotta remember how to make it a random color. Scene, theme. How did I do that before? Because I don't want to make a command for every color that you can make that lamp. Or the light strip. This is where I get annoyed because I just fixate on dynamic options on top. Ah, thank you, bro. Ooh, actually, I got distracted. What was I even trying to do? Why am I like this? Oh yeah, random color. Yeah, random color. Again, they did change this recently. Corner color, description. I'll just have to go through one by one. Delay. I thought it was here. Oh, you know what? It might actually be. Might actually be buried in one of these types. Animation, nope. Interactive. Random, there it is. Got it. Okay. We're good. 169 biddies. Or, sorry, points. Okay, corner color. There you go. So now that corner lamp changes all those random colors. Oh, bro, Mackie, they changed it so much. Like, it's like almost, it's actually a little messy compared to where it was. It's very confusing compared to what it used to be. Okay, so now that should have updated. Okay, it doesn't work. Oh, right, I have to go back to chatbot commands. Hang on. I am going to close the snap camera. Because it keeps turning on. Ooh, well, that's kind of fun. Hang on. Why does it just turn off? There's a Grinch one, but it just turns off. Maybe I'm too much green. Oh, it sparkles these though. That's cool. Okay. Anyways, stop getting distracted. Glow glasses is definitely redemption. I should buy some new glow glasses. I used to have some actually, like some real life ones. Okay, that it didn't work because I didn't set the refresh, bruh. Seriously, that's all it was. Why am I like this? Okay, now it should work. Yeah, okay, now it works. Okay, so good news. What do we have so far? We've got orange, yellow, pink, aqua, purple, white, blue, green, red, RGB, rainbow. Does rainbow doesn't work, I don't think. Oh yeah, it does. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. There might be a way, J Swizzle, in my mind. Just thinking because...
Oh, CQ. They call it techno, but we all know the truth.
Let Dave talk.
It's trance.
Yeah, so I think there would be a way to... You can make hotkey redemptions and then just tie a hotkey to Snapchat filters. That should be actually fairly straightforward. I should look into that.
If we call it trance.
Okay, what else do we have on here?
But if we call it techno.
Today you linked up Lumiastream to Streambot. Pretty cool. So each time there's a new chatter, got a light flashing yellow. Really? Like a first time chatter, you mean? That's pretty cool. And if you missed it, by the way, chats, this is a brand new, they added all these. Stream going live. So when my stream goes live, this is what happens now. Got the rainbow. Stream goes offline, it goes to red lights. I get a new follower, goes to blue. Subscriber, RGB. Bits, I get a 4-second strobe. Hosting is no longer a thing. A raid, 8 seconds. 8 seconds of chaos, like this. This is what happens when we get a raid now. Everything's just going to go off for 8 seconds. Can you consider doing future streams like this on other topics? Things like alerts, notifications, and overlays. Yeah, sure. I just have to really like cognitively sit down and have like a goal of what I need to accomplish, and really it's... I would say Lumi is one of the weakest things that I am when it comes to streaming. I'm much more fluid in OBS, for example. I think I've pretty much created most of the like primary stuff. Let me just look at my stream deck here. Oh yeah, okay. The smart plugs. I don't have those on. That's what I don't have on. Okay, let's do those. Okay, this is where it's gonna take me a second again because I may screw this up. Or I may be doing this wrong, but I gotta remember how. So we're just gonna try it. So, wham fan. No light change. And we want it to be a device and smart plug. Fan to turn on. You want to make sure that's on for the start. And for the end, you want to make sure the fan is turned off. Okay. And we want the fan to come on. I'm going to say 16 seconds, but here's what we're going to do. We're going to do something different though, chats. There's no reason that the fan can't interrupt anything else. So, because it's not a light, and we're going to have it set to no light change. So, give me a sec, and I'm going to make sure that it can actually be, it can override, like it can go over, skip the queue. There we go. Okay, I'm going to try it and make sure it works first. The fan. Okay, the fan works. Good news. Oh, nice hair, Rich Glow. Damn these Snapchat filters. Oh, any chatter on their first message. And you're doing that through stream bot. That's pretty cool. You need these tutorial streams. If I watch them on YouTube, it's just too boring. Well, Zombie, that's the nice thing is y'all can ask questions like we've kind of been dancing around, and we've been discovering things along the way too. Give you a redemption for that filter. I'll get to that, Jay Swizzle. I can't look at it tonight because I want to get my basics working before my next stream on Sunday. What was I doing again? The fan. Oh, right. Okay, the fan. The fan works. Now, I want to redeem orange light, for example, and then I'm going to try and confuse it with a corner color, and then I'm going to redeem a police so that they go in order. But now, can I redeem the fan? That's the question. Can I find it fast enough? Where is it? There it is. It did not skip the queue. Looks like hair from your metal days. I swear to goodness, Snapchat. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Turn that shit off. Fuck's sakes, now the strobe is stuck on. Ah, yeah, I did confuse it alright. Alexa, turn rave off.
Okay.
There we go. Hi, Moisty. I've been hot in that studio lately. Thugs and Hula Hooper, it's gonna get hot. Oh, Swizzle, that reminds me. I'm gonna turn down the in-floor heat because it's gonna get real warm in here on Sunday. One sec. Okay, that's better. It takes a couple days to cool down. Oh yeah, refresh! Okay, so the fan is working now. All right, good news. So what else do we have to do? We've got to add strobe lights. So strobes. Again. Oh, now here's what I did with the strobes before. I would actually have the lights turn off. Smart plugs strobe on and rave on, which is my face strobes. And the reason I name them that way is so that I can use voice commands like Alexa, turn rave on. Oh, what the poop?
Okay.
Why is... It's funny because these redemptions are like as I'm programming, it's screwing with Snapchat. Hang on, I gotta turn that shit off. One sec. Be right back on the face cam. Okay, there we go. Alright, now it's not gonna happen again. So, I just need to take this. Ah, fuck's sakes. Good enough. Okay, why are my strobes stuck on? Oh, because I told them to. Alexa, turn rave off.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so those should be good. Refresh. Mackie. Okay, do strobes work? Okay, strobes work. So see how the lights turned off automatically? Did I tell them to come back on though? I can't remember. We'll find out. No, I didn't. Okay. And this is one of those things where I have to remember how I did it last time. Or maybe maybe they just stayed off. I'm gonna have to actually look. Chats, do you remember? Did my lights stay off after a strobe? Lumia, no, you know what? With Alexa, I'm actually using it separately. Hi, Kika Grooves, how are you? Nice to see you. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Oh, I was going to try and zoom in. How you doing? Okay, strobes are working. What else do we have in here? We got disco ball. Okay, so hang on. So like, for example, I don't have this as a redemption. This is just a voice command, but one sec here. Lights 100. Alexa. Oh, there we go. Cancel. Alexa, turn disco motor on.
Okay.
So what I did, okay, I had my neighbor come in last year, and my electrical room is right below the good vibes sign there, and I had him run power through this bulkhead right up here into the ceiling, literally for this disco ball. So that way that there wouldn't be a cable when I'm on stream. You can't see that cable because I don't like cables, they drive me nuts. And so that's just a spark plug for the motor, and then the pin light is right there, and that's what we're going to control. So Alexa, turn disco on. Alexa, disco on.
Okay.
So that's what we're going to add to the redemptions. Hey, Chance! Chance, how's it going, bro? How'd your night go? Chance, I broke my entire lighting setup. So now we're reprogramming it, because I have to fix it before Sunday. Chance, thanks for the 15 months, buddy. How was the night? Or 20 months! 20 months! 20 months, bro! Bruh. Chance, I broke all my lights, so we're reprogramming them. Okay, so disco. If the disco comes on, I also want the lights to turn off, because I want to emphasize the disco. I want to give it some more time, but I'm hoping that it can be bypassed. So let's just play with it and try. Chance, thanks so much, man. You heard that big challenge to get her fixed. The night was good. Good, Chance. Chance, I'm sorry about the one thing you were texting me about earlier. You know, that stuff happens. Today was Tomorrow there's extra help on. Today was the one that was thin. What was I doing again? I get so distracted, especially when I can't hear myself. Like I can't hear my own voice right now because I got the music on. Disco ball. I want it to be overrideable. I found that earlier. Where was it? Skip the queue. That's not the one. When skip queue is enabled, it will run this command at the same time as other commands and will not interrupt the queue. Oh yeah, that works. Understand the risk of doing this as it could lead to multiple changes happening unintentionally. That works because it's a smart plug. So we'll let that skip the queue. Man, they've sure added a lot of stuff to this. Good grief. Okay, so we're gonna add a start for the disco, and it's gonna turn on, and we're gonna add an end for the disco, and it's gonna turn off. There we go, done. And refresh, and now our disco ball should be able to be controlled by the chats. Let's see. Let me try and redeem. There it goes. Okay, and the lights turn off. Beautiful. Except I have to figure out how to get the lights turned back on again. That was one thing I had before, I'm sure. Sibo, well, thanks for tuning in for dinner, or before dinner, and Tony Christopher, thanks for enjoying and hanging out with us. I'll be posting this on YouTube as well.
CQ if you're
It won't have the same effect.
nasty.
Jordan Spare did really good. Hopefully she's interested in doing more. That was Amy, was her name. So big shout out to Pyrostome in the chats running tonight's event.
Maybe
And
I could
Chance, tomorrow I'm in Edmonton just as a friendly reminder. It's my daughter's birthday party tomorrow, and then I'll be in Edmonton for Morgan Page. Chance, thanks so much, man, and I'm glad you had a good night. I really am, and I'm sorry. Did you guys just did the self-run poker?
I think that this is enough.
Disco, strobes, fan. Oh, plasma, the lamp. We need the lamp.
I think that nobody could say you didn't
Let's call it lamp.
give us a show. You didn't do your best.
So gonna be no light change for the lamp.
Country this on this day.
Gonna power it on and have an end for plasma. Power it off.
With unnamed producer.
And also, I want that to be able to override. And I'm gonna extend the time on the lamp because it's like one of those things where it's so far back there. We might as well give it 20 seconds. Thanks, Jay Swizzle. Let's get it. I'm excited. I prepped last night all my music. I've got 3 directions that I can go for tomorrow. And then from there, I'm going to play probably 50% off the cuff. It's all just about gauging the crowds.
With some people.
Okay, the lamp, 20 seconds. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. Overrideable.
And this week was the first in a long line of that.
Skip the queue. Getting greasy. So Jay Swizzle, I'll be slightly lighter than I normally play. Actually, Yelris, one of the artists playing directly after me, right before Morgan Page, she reached out to me today to ask what I'd be playing. And we had a conversation about just how I'll lead in for her. I'm going to be playing gentler than I normally would. Not too gentle. But
once again, we're ending the stream playing out of the CQ Classics folder.
chats, while we're finishing up our last programming, where do you want to go? Do you want to go to
The last few months.
New Girl, Liquid Todd, Funk Hunters.
I asked myself, what are the greatest records ever?
Where do you want to go? Yeah, he is ending.
In the history of dance music.
Or do you want to stay with the raid? It's your call. I think we've pretty much added everything, but now what I need to do,
But before it goes in this folder,
I need to program my Stream Deck to do the same.
it gets remastered
Ooh, it might be a go already. It might.
and edited. All the boring
Let's
shit,
see. Oh,
overly long.
perfect. It didn't die.
I consider myself, I have a talent for editing things without you noticing. Except, why is this night flowing better than
420 or 69 redemption.
the edits?
I do have a new emote. I've got a 69 emote now. I just added it the other day.
Anyway, so that's a good segue.
I sat down and dealt it. All the tables were covered, but that means no floater around the tables. But Amy really stepped up and did a good job for the first time. And tomorrow, thank you, bro.
Although we have announced the date,
Thank you for holding down the fort at Cambridge.
but not the venue, and the tickets aren't.
You're in Bertha tomorrow? Do you? Yeah, and then Monday, right? You and May on Monday?
If you love
Okay.
CQ Classic Saturday, you're gonna want to go to.
Okay, does my fan work like this?
the
Here,
tour
let's
at
see.
some point in some city.
Let's see if my fan button works.
Open to close. All shows open to close.
Hey, fan works. Okay, so those buttons didn't die. That's actually super handy. Does strobe work?
And in some cities, that means 6 to 8.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that half works.
I could do it.
Strobe on and rave on.
So if you'd like to know more about CQ Classics, we'll just do this.
Hey, DJ Virgin. Sorry, Virginie? DJ Virgin. DJ Virginie 11. Thank you for the follow. Joining my emotionally damaged journey. Hello, DJ. We're programming some Lumiastream lights tonight. We're just actually wrapping up. Hey, the strobes work now. Okay, yeah, they work. I can turn those off. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, what else do I have? Oh, I need to fix these, don't I?
Tomorrow night. There will be no live stream because there's a big.
Yeah, no, those all work.
show. Techno and
Sweet baby raise chats. I think we're damn close. Okay, let me go to my. Okay, one thing that I've done. Actually, I want to show you something before I continue chats. I want for those who use Stream Deck.
lots of different places in Mexico and also LA. And
I just want to catch up on the chats for a sec. No, we're good. For those that use Stream Deck,
Illuminati.
I learned how to be a lot more efficient on my Stream Deck.
And yours truly. is
Special
representing
pineapple or thuggy redemption. Ooh.
to play.
Jay Swizzle, can you send me a whisper just so I don't forget this and I try and think of something?
Probably on the melodic techno.
Or whatever, like even an Instagram message would work. That would actually probably work best. Okay, sorry, distracted. What I learned to do, and I came up with this idea at... I gotta take Dave off my ears. I can't talk over
If
him.
you'd like tickets for that.
There we go. So what I learned to do at TwitchCon this year, I saw this Razer brand kind of like a Stream Deck, and instead of having buttons only, it had pages on the bottom, and I was like, well, why can't you just program the bottom button to change your pages? And so then, like, I hit a point, chats, where this is a 32 channel Stream Deck, but I had 11 pages, and it was a nightmare to like go forward and back. So now what I've done is the bottom left-hand button, that's cameras. No matter what scene you're on, the bottom buttons never change, but they have two different they have 2 different pages tied to each button. So cameras, for example, this is all my cameras right here. If I push cameras a second time, I get to a second page. Here's all my lights. If I push lights a second time, here, let me point this at the Stream Deck. If I push lights a second time, it takes me to a second page. So I've got my primary lighting and my secondary lighting where I've got just a few I've got a few more scenes in here where it's like multiple colors within the room. And so these aren't chat redemptions. Chats, I'm pretty much fixed the lights a hell of a lot faster than I thought I was going to. Can anybody think of anything that I missed? I really need that physical Stream Deck instead of the app. Dude, it is. It really is. And I'm telling you, when the moment that I made these buttons on the bottom, the pages, my life is so much like faster on here. It's 2 or 3 buttons to get to any combo. It used to be like 11. So if I go to my sounds right here, for example, I've got certain sound effects like.
Sorry, but no one's available to.
And his name is John C.
Emotional damage.
But if I push the sound button a second time, it takes me to a different page altogether. So that's where I've got my ooh, Ukraine. We didn't do Ukraine. Okay, so Ukraine should be all fine here. But we have to program it within Lumia. Yes, we do. Twitch points. I'm just saying hello to New Girl. Ask him to say hello to you, chats. Oh yeah, okay, I need to actually make it before I go here. Hang on. Okay.
Ah, DJ Richco, welcome in. How are you doing? I was chatting with Richco today. Had all kinds of fun stuff. Hater44, welcome in.
Quack! 420 goes green all over. That shouldn't have changed when we had a 420-bit redemption. That should still go green. Hockey team color. I'm going to leave them off right now, Chance, because I felt like they were super messy. I really feel like it was hard for the chats to find the redemptions. So right now I'm going to leave the teams off and I'm just going to trial this. Okay, we're going to add a reaction. So this is where we're going to add the Ukraine colors. So we're going to add some slots, and you cannot copy paste, which is so flippin' annoying. But that's how it goes. Chance, thanks again for making things flow smooth tonight. I really appreciate it.
Appreciate you, but I don't have music like that. That's a little bit too poppy for me to have. I had the Kid Cudi one and a good house music remix.
Cycle direction.
If I ever can do a request, and it's something that I would also want.
2 seconds, so that's 4 seconds, 8 seconds. Okay, so I have to add a few because that's 2 seconds per color. I got to do at least 16.
Can't do a request if I don't have the track.
So I got to do 8 times 2. What's that? That's 6. Hey, what's up, Night Diver? I don't think that changed. Oh, you know what? Somebody last night, Night Diver, messed up the shout outs again. Somebody was playing with it, and then I can't even shout out tonight. If I shout out like ASDF, it's gonna shout out myself. See? Someone buggered it up, so I got a note to fix it. How you doing, Night Diver? We're just actually finishing up fixing all the lights. I screwed them up hard. I overrode my entire lighting setup by accident.
Yeah, I mean, rocket surgery.
I got canceled, or he got canceled. This reaction time's too fast. No.
It's a house music song.
Okay, let's try Ukraine.
And they're like, "Yo, I would love to hear this track." That's
What?
Like, I'm cool with that. But yeah,
That ain't right.
There's a reason why I don't DJ weddings. Honestly, I have no patience whatsoever for like really drunk, annoying people with no musical taste. As awful and as mean as that sounds, I would not be able to deal with it. I would do something very stupid like slap someone in the face, which is why I'm not a wedding DJ.
The timing is off. Hey, Night Diver, thanks for lurking in the background.
But I do work weddings.
So-
That's what I do at work, is I bartend and serve weddings. So I see the wedding DJs.
3, 6, 9, 12, 16, 18. That should be alright.
Glad I'm not doing that. It would ruin DJing for me.
That ain't right. Let's go. What am I doing? Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow.
By the way, shout out to Stun, Broken Future, and Rumpus, my friends for this track.
What's going on? Hang on. Try it again. 1. What the? Why does it go fast up front? Night Diver, I think the shout out just got screwed up on Wednesday. Oh, geez, through all slots. Bruh. Amateur hour over here. There we go, now we fixed it. See, Mackie, this is why we got you in the chats. To help carry me along. It's not even like I'm having beers, I'm just like sitting here. Sober as a skunk. Hey, Night Shift, we're programming the lights. Is this how you drink AGD tutorial? Chats, I'm actually not having any beers until New Year's Eve. I work every day for the month of December, including Christmas Day. I hate to say it, but I have to work a minimum of 2 hours. Hey, thanks, Night Diver. He fixed it. Thanks, Mackie. Okay, so we got the Ukraine. So here's something. Okay, chats. Here's something that I want to give you food for thought on what I did for the Ukraine button. I have it set to a multi-action, and what happens is when I push the. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna turn the camera around here and kind of go full screen. Watch what happens here when I push Ukraine. If it works.
So that's like a daytime set. Definitely not like a Friday night tech house set.
Okay. The way I wanted this camera gets a little bit delayed, I think, by a little second. But okay, the way I wanted this to work was when I push the Ukraine button. I want my windows. You can see here. The windows behind me, the green screen room specifically, I want those lights to turn green. I want the office to go blue. I want the pot lights to go blue. I want the face lighting to go yellow. And then I have the OBS, check this out. This is wild. We've got the OBS filter enable for the Cam 1 green screen, for the Cam 5 green screen, for the snap filter green screen, the Cam 4 green screen, and then it engages Ukraine as an actual scene. It has a 25-second delay between the camera angle changes between camera 2 It has a 25-second delay. Goes to camera 3, 20-second delay. But then at the end of it, it disables all the green screens. So let's just try it out and see if it still works the way it used to. I think my mic's off.
Jungle Love, hello.
Oh, you can hear me? Okay, I didn't. Oh yeah, I see it now. I do have the Yeti on this scene. Okay, so see how it works? The green screen enables, except yellow looks like oh, the lights aren't flashing.
Hey, I'll be right back, guys. I got myself a drink last time, but I have to run to the washroom real quick.
Multi-action. Oh yeah, Lumia. That's right. Okay, Lumia. H2O bra. H2 Glow. Hi, Mistiza. Yeah, we are nerding out. Oh, by the way, I should probably come back to the actual tutorial. There we are. Sorry. Hi, Mistiza. Mistiza, we're just finishing up the lighting. We've been fixing it the whole night. I accidentally deleted everything on Wednesday. So I had to reprogram everything tonight. And I think, hydrate? I got water here. I am not drinking. I have to work every day this month. Hey, Chance, have a good one. And I'll talk to you in the morning, buddy. Trying the Rainbow Sherbet Vodka Pre-Milk. Lasted 30 seconds. Let's have some gravy chats. Some milk. Milk, please. Okay, I think this is the last thing I have to program though, chats. But I have to fix the lighting. Give me 2 shakes of lamb's tail. Or your pews. Okay, Ukraine is a reaction. So then... Lumia. So it's not... this is where it's going to take me a sec to find the right one. Studio theme. Because they don't name them correctly. Alert, Twitch extension... Oh, Twitch points commands. That's what it'll be. Did we not upload Ukraine? Is Ukraine in here? Oh, we didn't do it. Oh, that's why. Okay. So we're going from the reaction back to... See, this is why it's kind of silly, this application, because it should automatically have just created that Twitch point redemption, but it doesn't. So I've created the actual cycle, and now I have to create Ukraine. And it's going to be a reaction, and it's Ukraine. There it is. So... But I had something set up before that I want, and that was you had to make a comment to post it. It's gonna take me a sec to find that. Oh, require user to enter message. There we go. Okay, apply and refresh, and everything should be working now for your everything. Where is Ukraine? Oh, hang on. He got handsy.
Soraya, welcome.
Somebody tried to get handsy with me today, I'll tell you that. They lost.
It's me, Jen. Hello.
Oh, I have Ukraine disabled, that's why. Except I'm going to delete that, reject, and repush it. Click to resend. There we go. The only thing I have to do is add like images to these again. Some love for Ukraine. Test. Hey, it works. Let's go, let's go. Chats, we've accomplished what I thought was going to take me a lot longer. Where are we at for the stream length? We did a lot of chatting. Night Diver, thanks again for, yeah, thanks for watching that story. But thanks again for fixing that. Ooh, that's what we were going to do. We want to test this button. Okay, now, see, now this Stream Deck button allows me to add Ukraine. But that needs to be near the top.
Yo, Painted Lemon, thank you so much for the 420 bits.
Okay, let's try it. Please work. Hey! We're back in business, chats. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're done. Any questions, chats, by the way? How about before we like wrap up tonight, if you've got any questions at all about life, about lighting, about Stream Deck,
Welcome in. How are you doing? Happy Friday.
previous queue.
Cheers, chat. Oh, Aliens Locust, thank you so much for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. Cheers, guys.
Previous, help me out. Previous queue. What am I missing? Previous queue. Can you start it again? Absolutely slim. All right, from the top, chats, we're going to delete that entire profile. Now, I'm going to show you something that I highly recommend do that I didn't. Oh, but hang on. I got to get this off screen because my personal information's on here. But I'm going to copy my profile. Manage profiles. Oh, you can't? Oh, you can copy it. Yeah, you can. Okay, perfect. Yay! Okay, there. Whoops. My information's not showing here, so I can show. Whoops, I'm on the wrong scene. How do you set the bottom row in the Stream Deck? Let's show you. Okay, hang on. I gotta drag this off screen before I close this window because my personal email is on there. Okay, so you wanted to know, Mackie, about the Stream Deck? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of make that bigger, and I'm gonna. Here, let me do that. There we go.
Alright, I love the words to this song. Let's hear
Okay.
it.
So, you know when it's Monday and you wake up and think, I'm gonna get so much done this week. And it goes like, save the planet, eat organic, take a deep breath, try not to panic. Alarm for 7, love my lesson, get to work on time.
Okay, Mackie. So the bottom, what these buttons are, these are a switch profile. So in Lumiastream, or I'm sorry, geez, in Stream Deck, from the search menu, type in switch profile, and this button right here. Here, let's create one together. Let's go to the new profile. Let's pretend we're actually just setting up a Stream Deck for the first time with the switch profile. Whoops. Oh, right. There we go. Okay. Switch profile. Okay. you're going to tell it to go to next profile. So any of these, let's just say if I push this button, it would take us to sounds. See? Now we're at the sounds page. So the way I have these set up is cameras are on every single one of these bottom scenes. So they're just copied and pasted throughout. They never change. So you lose 8 buttons. However, you no longer have to search through pages. And then the way I have it set up, Mackie, is lights. If I push lights, it goes to page 1. Except my lights is set up where it's a dual button. So if I push it a second time, it goes to a second page. Same with chats. Here's some chats buttons like sub only mode, slow mode, follower only mode if I get like raid botted or something, which has never actually happened. About only mode, Facebook, Discord. But if I push sounds a second time, then I get to my sounds and so on. So it's, you can see how empty these have now become. I was repeating so much crap before. These are my restroom breaks. So like, or like if I just need a breather to just stand because I like, whatever, I just need to find the right track, then I can go to those. My settings is my end stage button, end scene button. So you can see CPU usage currently at 21%. I've got this set up so I'm running a live internet speed test in case I have any hiccups. And let me catch up on the chats here for a sec. Was this OBS settings or RGB settings? Toasty, I have been doing the entire stream for Lumia. And then now we're just kind of over in Stream Deck. But Stream Deck and Lumia coincide with each other. But Stream Deck has so many capabilities. You can set up buttons to record, to pause, to start your stream. So for example, this raid button here, check this out. It's a 3-action raid. It's going to start my outro scene, which is where it thanks all the viewers and thanks the followers. It's got a 5-minute timer or a 300,000 millisecond timer, and then it ends the stream or it stops the stream. So when I push that button, 5 minutes later, it's going to end the stream whether I remember to or not. So it's just a way that I never forget to end the stream. So current internet speed 391 down, 95 up, and that's while running 2 streams. So that's pretty darn good. I've got a button for creating stream markers or clips. I've got a record and a record pause button, which I guess at this point I can stop the recording because this is like the recording itself, because that's what's going to go on YouTube.